guys, welcome back. Ohayou gozaimasu. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Faraday Future, ticker FFIE. We have now here a lot of squeezes in the market and we want to see a short squeeze for Faraday Future after we had here the second stock split in a row. So I will give you now here the updated chart, all the price levels here, and if a short squeeze is possible or not. Of course, everything what I say here is not financial advice. I give you here my opinion based on the chart. Yo guys, and when we start, we can see that we had here a lot of red candles here, weekly candles. We are here in the weekly chart on TradingView, and we had here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 11, 12. So guys, 12 weekly red candles, yeah, in a row for Faraday Future, 10, 12, 13, something like this. And for the first time since then, since the stock split here was executed, we had one green candle here, and this is of course not a surprise because I mentioned already here in my previous videos that $1.28 is the support price level here for FFIE. So let's have a quick look here in my drawings. Nothing changed, of course. If you saw my previous videos, guys, I never change or adjust the charts. And $1.28 is the Fibonacci support level. We have here a supportive liquidity zone for FFIE between $1.28 and $1.51. And this is where I said I expect here a rebound to happen, but the most significant price level is $1.28. And we can see when we now switch here to the daily chart that we had here a very nice response as soon as we hit this price range here with a small fake out $1.25. You can see always here almost on the dot, and we had here a squeeze here or a rebound of 28%. However guys, this is of course nothing compared to a squeeze. We want to see here a short squeeze, and that's why we have to talk here about the higher price levels. While I'm recording this video right now, guys, we have a short squeeze here already 120%. When I made the screenshot, it was 109%. Now this ticker is squeezing 120%. I released my hot stock video yesterday, guys, and already today in the pre-market, this ticker is squeezing. If you don't know these tickers, guys, I always try to predict short squeezes here on my channel. There is, of course, no guarantee, but when I release my hot stocks, this is my finest selection on short squeeze stocks. When I release those videos on Sunday, that means that I expect to squeeze these tickers in the very few next trading days. You can also see here some of the member feedbacks. And as I said, this ticker here is one of my latest hot stocks, which I just published yesterday, and you can see we already have here a short squeeze. Yeah, that's why I say Faraday Future is a very nice short squeeze play. We have here a very nice short squeeze setup, but we have also a lot of other stocks which are squeezing. Last week also one of my hot stocks squeezed 173% after my video release, and we have here many squeezes. So if you want to also see this finest selection of short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, and if you click here the info icon in the corner, you get access to the Patreon member link. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an advanced trader, everybody is welcome here to join our community, guys. And before we continue here with Faraday Future, very important, the algos, guys. We have here some algo trend lines and some algo support levels which I spotted here by using TradingView. And if you also want to learn trading, if you want to understand how the algos are working and where the algos are selling and buying, then I think a chart program, to have a good chart program, is essential, guys. And now you have the, I think one time in a year chance here to get 70% discount. TradingView, I have a special link here. TradingView is giving you 70% discount right now just for a couple of days, $16.69 for the premium tier. Very important, the premium tier is what I recommend for TradingView, guys. And if you don't have TradingView yet, this is the chance to get this with a massive discount. You get access here to my special discount link. Also, when you click here on the info icon, then you can enter here the 70% discount link. And I always recommend, as I said here, also the premium tier, guys. Very nice chance, very good opportunity. Take your chance right now. It's just a couple of days. So blah blah. Let's go back to Faraday Future. What we have right now, guys. So when we disable the drawings for a second, then we know, and we know that the EMA lines here are a strong resistance for Faraday Future. We always get rejected here if we don't see a squeeze, if we don't see massive volume. You can see that the EMA lines here, the yellow and the white EMA line, are in control. Yes, we can squeeze higher, but we cannot build a green candle over the yellow EMA line here, and you can see that they are still in control. That's why, guys, yeah, the price support is still $1.28. If we break $1.28, it can get a little bit ugly. But what we know right now is that we have some hidden signals here in the chart. That's why, in my opinion, and I also mentioned that before, that we have here in worst case, yeah, from $1.28, where my personal buy-in level was here, $1.28, zack, here, that we have here a squeeze potential in worst case of 30%. This is just for swing traders, yeah. Why? Because we had this, or we still have this open gap in the chart at $1.66, which is just closely below here the EMA line, guys. And in a worst case scenario, when we have not enough volume, on Friday we had just 3.4 million volume. This is not enough, guys. We need much more volume. Yes, we have buying volume incoming here. You can see the volume candles here in the TradingView chart, but this is not enough to force a short squeeze. If we want to see a short squeeze here, then we have to break this yellow EMA line here. And most important, guys, now we come back here to the drawings. So zack. Most important, we want to see a price over $2.15. This is very crucial for Faraday Future. Everything above $2.15 can lead into a short squeeze. If we come back right now between $1.97 and $2.15 and just retest here and get rejected, this is what we definitely don't want to see for Faraday Future. That's why when you trade the stock here, I recommend to work with a really tight stop loss below $1.28, because if this support level breaks, there is some psychological range at $1, but if we break below $1, guys, then 76 cents and lower are the price goals for Faraday Future to the downside. This is not to scare you, I just show you what the chart is telling us. The most interesting thing what we have right now, guys, yeah, we have here for the first time, I have to zoom out now here, zack. So, guys, sorry. So this yellow trend line here, this yellow trend line is the Algo trend line for Faraday Future. What does that mean? That usually the Algos are selling as soon as we hit this trend line here, yeah, this yellow trend line. But you can see when we had our 10,000% short squeeze here in May, then we built a volume candle over this trend line, and that triggered a massive short squeeze for Faraday Future. And right now, guys, for the first time since May 2024, for the first time, we are trading here outside of this trend channel, and we built here green candles. This is very rare. You can see that right now here, guys. We're trading now outside of this Algo trend channel, and if we don't see here a massive sell-off reaction, that the Algos bring the price back down with below this trend line here, and that would mean we come here to 76 cents and lower just based on today. And this is now of course not the full candle starts here, guys. So that looks like the Algos accept the new trend. Let's call it a trend reversal here, because usually when you try to break out, you see a candle wick and the price will just beaten down again below this trend line here. But as I said, when we see here, when the candle starts today and we see a straight line, then the price needs to drop to 40 cents or lower to be back in this Algo trend channel. So that's why I think the market makers more or less agree with the actual price levels here. That doesn't mean that this is the bottom, but I just say it is very unlikely to see a drop here of 60-70% overnight. It is possible, guys, yeah. Just watch my latest Sava video, but here that would mean that we have to drop already almost 80% overnight to come back in this trend channel pattern here. And of course, the more far away we get, the deeper we have to fall, and then somewhere we end up in the minus. So that is not possible. That's why I think it's building up here a new trend for Faraday Future. So that's why I say the price goal, make it or break it price goal now here is between $1.97 and $2.15. And when we can break this price levels, we finally can maybe talk here about a bullish reversal or even a short squeeze for Faraday Future, guys. Yeah, when you want to copy the price levels, you can of course pause the video here right now. Then you see where the Algos are waiting. $1.28 is very important. The open gap is here at $1.66. That's why I expect Faraday Future at least to hit this price level here. Don't forget, the EMA lines are also waiting here in the $1.69 range. That's why I say we want to see a price over $2.15 here, a full candle body. Then I think prices between $2.62 and at least $2.84 are possible, and this is of course not a short squeeze, this is just a small algo squeeze. Yeah, if you want to copy the price levels, guys, then take the chance right now, get your premium TradingView access right now, guys. Yeah, take advantage of this discount. I can just recommend that. And if you like this content here, guys, if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your support. I wish you great success with all your trades and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute, viel Erfolg mit Faraday Future und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.